Great. So, guys, again, another trading session here on binary option. Um, as you can see, I'm investing $400 here, predicting that the market will close above, so above this price, above this line here. It's going up, and to predict this, I'm using three indicators. So the Bollinger Bands, the RSI, the SAR, the parabolic SAR, and the RSI. All right, I'm trading with the 1 minute candlestick chart and the 1 minute expiration time. So if you want to learn the strategy I'm using here, the indicators, the way I use the indicators, the chart patterns, the money management method, everything is explained in the course in the description below. So I invite you to go to the course and take a look, try to learn a thing or two. So first win, great. First win, as expected. Somehow my strategy is working almost 100% sure, but this is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option trading. I'm not saying on and telling you that this is what you will get by learning my strategy. No, I'm just demonstrating what is possible to be done with the strategy, but you need to spend some time, some effort in order to learn the strategy. So I invite you to learn the strategy, try to practice and practice on demo account, try to back test your strategy, and hopefully with time you will master it. Great. So as you can see here, I'm expecting that here the market will go below this level or close below. Yeah, fortunately, see, this candle was green, but this was happening later. All right, here it's clear, it's easy, I guess. Here it's easy to understand that this one is going up. So if my projection is right, I'm making $382.50. So my total investment is $450, and I'm making 85%. So I guess that yeah, 85%, and I'm making $382.50. Guys, what I advise you to do is to avoid those who are selling I don't know, signals, gurus and stuff. Avoid them. The only person you need to trust in your trading is yourself. Trust yourself, and that's it. Yeah, so another win. Let me open another trade. Now we'll come back to you. All right, this one is also going up. So yeah, this one is going up. Once you understand the strategy, you will understand what I'm doing here, guys. So what I want you to learn is that you need to learn the strategy, or you need to master good strategy, good one. If you don't want to learn my strategy, that's okay, that's totally okay, but I want you to master a good strategy. Try to learn one or two indicators, master those indicators, try to learn as many chart patterns as you can. So as many chart patterns as you can. Great. As many chart patterns as you can. Try to master a good money management method. So all this stuff is explained in the course, but if you don't want the course, that's all right. I can give it to you for free. So master good money management method. Great. So and with time, I guarantee you that you will be comfortable with your trading. So you will know when you need to trade, open trade, and when you need to avoid opening any trade. So the most important thing is not winning. The most important thing is to avoid losing. That's it. If you can avoid losing, so every penny you make will be and will stay in your wallet. And that's what I want you to do. This one is going up. Yeah. This one is up. So that's what I want you to do. Master a good strategy. There's plenty of good stuff out there. There's plenty of good books that you can read. There is good free tutorials on YouTube. Sorry. And yeah, you can master trading by watching free stuff, but I don't advise you to do that. In order to make money, you need to spend money. Yeah, money will make money. That's the law of universe. So I'm investing, as you can see, $300, making 85% if I'm winning, meaning if I'm winning, I'm making $255 this time. So my investment, the amount is $300. The expiration time is the 1 minute. The profit will be 50 or 85%. I'm trading on Euro USD, as you can see here, binary Euro USD on iqoption. There's plenty other good platforms out there, for example Codex, binary.com, pocket.com. There's plenty good platforms. You need to choose your own. I'm not telling you to choose any one of those. I'm telling you that you need to do the research, do your own research, and find the best one for you, the best platform that fits your needs. Also here I'm using the 1 minute candlestick chart. I'm using 3 indicators, as you can see by this small tree. I'm using the Bollinger Bands here, the parabolic SAR, and the RSI. Yeah, all those indicators, for example here, are telling me that I'm expecting a green or red candle, sorry. That's why I opened the short position, meaning that I predict that the market will close under this level, so under this price. So if my prediction is right, I'm making $255, and that's what's really happening, $255. All right, I guess this one is gonna be perhaps my last trade for this session. I made enough money, I guess. How much we made, I guess that we made perhaps more than $1,000 or less. Yeah, but $1,000 a day, that's okay, that's amazing. I can make more, but yeah. And about the withdrawal, iqoption is the worst platform to withdraw your money. This strategy can be used on any platform, all right? Any platform. But iqoption is the worst platform to withdraw your money. If you are new to trading, I don't advise you to use iqoption. There's plenty other better choices out there. All right, I guess that this is it. See you later.